Dear all, examination notification for NEET PG 2022 has arrived, and the exam date is on March 12th. So the countdown begins, and let us quickly go on to the important aspect of before the preparation, about the application and requirements of application and what should be done. So myself, Dr. K. Vinayak Senthan, I am the Director of Speed Medical Institute, which powers speed learning app for NEET PG and NEET SS preparation. Now there we go. You can see NEET PG 2022 examination, the official prospectus released by NBE. Now I'll just go through the important dates for you, and the availability of information bulletin from 15th January 2022, that is today, and the online submission of application is 15th January, that is 3 p.m. onwards today to 4th February 2022 till 11:55 p.m. The edit window for all candidates is 8th February 2022 to 11th February 2022. The final edit window to rectify the deficiency or incorrect images like photographs, signature and thumb impression will be from 24th February to 27th February 2022. Clear? Now there we go. You can see the most important dates. The issue of admit card is on 7th March 2022. Examination date is 12th March is 2022, exactly say 58 days to go from now. And declaration of results is by 31st March 2022. So everything comes to an end by March. So March 31st, the selection process for NEET PG 2022 comes to an end. So let us begin. What are the other important aspects in going through the application forms? Now the most important is, for any communication, you need to have an access to the National Board. And there we go. The National Board of Examination has given an official communication number of 022, helpline number 610-87595. Now email ID helpdesk nbeexam@natboard.edu.in, and official website is nbe.edu.in and natboard.edu.in. Clear? Now the phone support will be available throughout from today, from 15th January till 31st March 2022, from 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. in the evening from Monday to Friday. That means all effective working days. And even on the day of the examination also, they have a support system which is available for the candidates. Now for filling up the application, instruction to fill the NEET PG application 2022 application forms, candidate may note that after closure of the edit window, deficiency related to images uploaded in the application form shall be communicated to them. Deficiency related to the images uploaded like photographs, signature or thumb impression can be corrected during the final edit window between 24th February to 27th February 2022. Exactly, they have given 24th, 25th, 26th and 27th, 4 days to correct any of the mistakes which have been happened during the upload, like a photograph, signature or thumb impression. Clear? Now, admit cards. The issue of admit cards of NEET PG 2022 shall be available for download at the NBE website on 7th March 2022. Okay, the candidates declared ineligible shall not be issued admit cards. Now results of NEET PG 2022 shall be displayed at NBE website. Okay, demo test, if you want to look how 200 questions will look like, and definitely you can take a demo test from 1st March of 2022. Now examination fee, how much is the fees to be paid? For general, OBC and EWS candidates, 4,250 rupees, 4,250. For SC, ST and PWD candidates, it will be rupees 3,250, 1,000 rupees less than the previous category. Now eligibility criteria. The most important eligibility criteria for MD, MS or PG diploma courses is all those candidates who have completed their MBBS program, they have a MBBS degree or a provisional MBBS pass certificate as recognized by NMC or Indian Medical Council Act by 1956. They should have a cutoff date of completion of internship for the freshers and current students who are doing internship. All those students who are completing the internship on or before 31st May 2022 will be eligible. I'll repeat this once again. All those students who have completed the degree, all those students have a provisional pass certificate, all those interns who are doing the current internship and they are to complete by 31st May 2022 will be eligible for this NEET PG 22 exam. 2022 exam on March. Now, what is the marking scheme? So, total number of questions that will be allocated is 200 questions, multiple choice question, and the response, the correct response will have 4 marks, and the incorrect response will have 1 mark deducted, that is a negative mark, and unattempted will have 0. That means every correct answer will be awarded 4 marks, and every wrong answer will be negative 1. That means -1, and unattempted will be 0. Okay. Now, this is the allocation of time. So, what time you should reach the examination hall? So, the examination, all the candidates to allow the examination center and commence the registration for the test at 7 a.m. in the morning. Very important. So, preparation is one aspect, but going to the exam at the right time is also even more important. And 7 a.m. in the morning, and the entry closes by 8:30 a.m. So, you have a window from 7 to 8:30 at the maximum for any delays. Cannot be entertained beyond this. So, entry closes the examination center by 8:30 a.m. Gross access to the candidate login is 8:45 a.m. and candidates log in to read the instructions at 8:50 a.m. and examination start time is 9 a.m. and examination end time is 12:30 p.m. So, 3.5 hours is the time that is given to attempt 200 questions with a positive 4 marks, a negative 1 mark, and unattempted 0 mark. Okay. And the overview of the summary of all through go through is the online application form submission, demo test to be taken on from the 1st of March, issuance of admit card from 7th of March, reporting to the test center. The scheduled date and time is at the 12th March. It is at the 12th March. So, you will have to be there at 7 a.m. in the morning. Okay. Issue of the admit card, yes, is the 7th March. And demo test you can take from 1st March. Okay. So, and the security check-in process, registration of test and face ID and biometric, and examination begins and examination ends. So, 9 a.m. is the time it starts and it ends at 12:30 p.m. Correct? So, this is the summary. Are we there? Yes, excellent. Now, you can choose the center which is very accessible to you, or the city that you live in, or the nearest city where you can travel in a short distance or a short time. So, the list is posted here, and all the major cities and or major towns have been given as an examination center for NEET PG 2022. See that? See, there are more than 256. See that 200, total 256 centers are allocated for NEET PG 2022 exam. So, you can choose the nearest center that is applicable for you. And instruction to fill in the online NEET PG 2022 application forms. So, you need to create a new user registration. All candidates have a desire to apply for NEET PG 2022 should create an online profile and to generate a user ID and password. Okay, and applicant login, the user ID and password so created will allow the candidate to log in to the application form of NEET PG 2022. Register online application to go on application link will allow the candidate to continue the application submission, and immediately after the user creation, the login password is lost. It can be retrieved by clicking forget your password. And the results. Now, the qualifying criteria or the results, the qualifying criteria, the eligibility criteria for participation of counselling towards allotment of PG seats conducted by the designated counselling authority shall be accordance with the postgraduate medical education regulation as per the latest amendment notification by the NMC. Now, or registered by MCA with a prior approval from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare of Government of India. Now, you can see the category general and EWS is the eligibility criteria will be 50th percentile, and SC, ST and OBC including PWD for SC, ST and OBC will be 40th percentile, and unreserved PWD for 45th percentile. So, you should just know this about the eligibility criteria. So, general EWS will be 50th percentile, and SC, ST, OBC including PWD of SC, ST and OBC will be 40th percentile, and unreserved PWD will be 45th percentile. Okay. The results of NEET PG 2022 will be declared. The results will be declared on 31st March 2022, and results will be available on the NBE website. Candidates can download the score card from the NBE website and using their login credentials. There shall now be no re-evaluation, very important, no re-evaluation or rechecking or retotaling of the responses marked by the candidate. Requests or queries for re-evaluation or retotaling shall not be entertained. So that means the results cannot be challenged. Very clear? So whatever you have to give on the day, and the best you should give is on the day of the exam, and that's it. And after that, there is no other avenue for you to go ahead and recheck or retotal whatever the performance you have given on the examination date. Okay, admission for postgraduate courses at Armed Forces Medical Services Institution. Admission to the under-mentioned Armed Forces Medical Services Training Institute is open to eligible candidates. What are they? What are the institutions included? Armed Forces Medical College Pune, Army Hospital Research and Referral and Delhi Cantonment Delhi, and INHS Ashwini Mumbai, and Commando Hospital Air Force Bangalore, Commando Hospital Eastern Command Kolkata, and Command Hospital Western Command is Chandi Mandir, and Command Hospital Central Command Lucknow, and Institute of Aerospace Medicine Bengaluru. Okay, so there we go about the important aspects of the application form to be filled up by the candidate for the NEET PG 2022 exam. So try to understand that the exam is just less than 2 months from now, and what should be done after getting on to those disciplines of filling up the application, very, very important. And after that, the most important is in the preparation. In the preparation, what I will recommend is, for the next 2 months, just revise. Please revise whatever you have done, and whatever you have learned, whichever the resources that you have learned, whether it is a speed learning app or any other resources that you have used for learning, use the resource. Use the same resource. Do not try to get into any new resource right now. You have to use whatever you have done already and start revising. Keep revising. Yes, and most of the students today use the learning apps, and start doing the videos, start revising the videos at 2x speed, and those areas or weaker subjects, minimum make 10 to 12 hours of looking into the videos. And second, I recommend is to work out MCQs. The MCQs you need to work out is minimum 200 questions, because the exam has 200 questions. So minimum 200 questions kindly work out. And so that 200 questions per day, 60 days at an average is 12,000 questions you will be able to do minimum. And if you can do anything more than 200 is well and good, but minimum you do 200. So 200 practice questions on daily basis. And I will advise the best time to do a practice question in the morning is 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning you do, because it will be very, very approximate and close to the examination timing. Though examination timing is from 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. But anyway, if you do it in the morning, you have the same mindset of solving 200 questions. So when you do 200 questions in the morning every day, you will know the deficiency, areas of deficiency, so that the rest of the day you will be able to prepare which area you have been deficient in this exam. Correct? So the right answers, you don't go on to the explanation, looking into the explanation. Only the wrong answers, you look into the explanation and quickly consolidate your wrong answers and identify the weaker areas and start preparing and start revising those weaker areas first. So every day you will find a weaker area in the morning. So kindly, complete those weaker areas and revise that. And revision is very important. 10 to 12 hours of revision, either in the notes or in the videos at a 2x speed, will definitely help you to cover all the 19 subjects, but give more importance to the clinical subjects: surgery, medicine, OG, pediatrics, orthopedics, and community medicine, and ENT and Ophthal. And these subjects will have the maximum percentage of marks for you in the exam. So kindly cover these subjects first, and rest of the subjects also important. You can do it after doing these subjects. So the criteria is this: in summary, 10 to 12 hours of minimum of revision of the concepts, either through the notes that you have taken, or the notes that you have purchased, or the videos the resources that you use, and minimum of 200 questions in the morning that you will work out per day to cover minimum of 12,000 questions. Yes, so if you could do this for another 2 months, definitely I assure you that you will be able to do your exams well and get a topmost rank and the seat of your choice in the upcoming NEET PG 2022. So NEET PG 2022 in the March 12th is going to be a happening day for you, and it's going to be a great day for you, and definitely you will be able to do that, and you can give your best, and surely it will definitely be a good day for you to achieve whatever you intend to achieve. May all your dream come true, and you achieve what you intend to achieve, and the specialty, whatever you want to do, and you will choose an institution, whatever you want to do, and you will choose, and you will be in the best place. From April, you will be able to join wherever you intend to join. I wish you all the best and all the success in your preparation, also for your exams. Thank you, one and all.